Hi, I'm Sarah Capewell and I'm from the UK. I embarked on the course last year. I'd taken my own coach because I wasn't in a very good place last year and felt inspired then to do this myself. I'm also a yoga instructor, so I wanted to infuse the two together and to help people. I mean, I've suffered with autoimmune and stress for the last 10 years, and I've kind of brought myself to a certain level. I'm not over it, but I'm definitely in 100% better position than what I was, and that was down to working holistically with myself. So this course wasn't just about me helping other people, it was also about my own journey as well. And it's been amazing. I've absolutely loved it, and I'm really, really passionate now to help other women that are in similar situations to myself, not just with stress or autoimmune, but really just people struggling with direction, because I felt like I was relying on other people to make me happy. And I've realised since doing the course that actually my happiness starts with me and not other people, which was a massive thing for me to kind of realize. I think even though it's such a simple thing and you should be aware of that, but it was a realization that actually for the last sort of 10 years I've been totally reliant on other people. I started years ago I was a fitness instructor and a gym manager, and I was a beauty therapist, and then I come out of it years ago. But I've always felt destined to be in the wellness, and I'd be looking at other people thinking, oh, I'd love to be a yoga instructor. And for years I think I was just so dissatisfied with my own life. I didn't realize that. I just didn't. I was just kind of going through life like this all the time, and then looking at other people thinking, oh, I'd just love to have my own business, or I'd love to do this. And then of course when you start taking action and then you start to feel better about yourself, you realize, don't you, that actually it does start with yourself. So yeah, it's been an absolutely amazing course, and I'm looking forward to continuing training, which I think, forever a student, and doing more courses with you. So thank you, I really appreciate it. And to be honest, the course content has been amazing. You're always putting stuff in and updating it. So and I'm looking forward to still sharing the group page and sharing experiences. It's invaluable. So thank you.